Hello, Enyanom. Welcome, Akwaba, once again to Maystastymeals. I hope by the grace you all are doing great. I am not so well. That is why I don't talk in some of my videos. Thanks to everybody who reached out to me asking if I am okay. I am not feeling all that well, but let me try my best to explain this recipe for everybody to understand. Sometimes when I use tree, some of my fans or my followers don't get what I say. Some people have started giving me or bringing me complaint. So I'm trying my best to use my 1x1 broth. So let's go into the process. I added some oil in my pan and I added some sliced onions. And I'll add my tomato paste and mix that one also. So after mixing it, I started adding my water or my broth. The broth is the water we used in cooking our meat. So in this, you can add your chicken broth, your beef broth, or you can just go with normal water. For me, I used normal water because I forgot my broth. Yes, so I covered it and cooked it for 3 minutes. So this is after 3 minutes. I added my blended ingredients, which is pepper, onion, tomato, carrots, paprika. You can use any ingredients of choice. It depends on you. I will add the accurate measurement in the description or comment section. I went on to add my fresh tomato, my salt to taste, my ginger powder, and my natural spices. When I talk about natural spices, you can use cloves, anise seed, black pepper, all the natural spices you know. You can use any. And I added it into my stew and I mixed everything together. So after mixing it, I lowered my gas, covered and cooked it for another 5 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes. You can see our Hausa stew that goes with everything is doing great. This part I didn't show because it was getting late. I cooked and fried my chicken, my eggs. I wanted to also add fish, but I thought, I can use my fish for another recipe. So I covered it again for 5 minutes and allowed it to simmer beautifully. So this is after 10 to 15 minutes. My Hausa or Zongo stew is ready. This recipe, try some and give me a feedback. It was, it goes with everything. Our stew is ready. I know you did enjoy. Why don't you run to Facebook, follow me, run to YouTube and subscribe. I did enjoy this stew with rice. I am going to enjoy the leftover with kenke tomorrow. I will end it here. Remember to stay positive. Believe in God till we meet again. Bye.